Hallo Jella, how are you guys? Welcome by ons 2022 se toerisme klas. Ons wil bietjie leer om wat gaan aan met ander lande.
Bonjour, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Tumele. France is the most famous attractions. Weet julle wat dit is? Yeah. You look like a beautiful couple. If you want to ask her to marry you, you must buy the fanciest French champagne and the French cheese. You must ask her to marry you on top of the Eiffel Tower.
Wow, that was interesting and very good. Thank you France, as they say in France. Merci. Ons volgende stop is by Spanje.
Hola, soy Nadia.
Hola, soy Esria. Gusto en conocerte.
Spain is popular for its famous flamingo dance.
Spanje is ook bekend vir hulle bulgevegte.
Yatta! Al wat ek wil nou doen is flamingo dance. Let's look at our next stop, China. China.
Konnichiwa, ni hao ni. Where did you get those shoes? China. Where did you get your shirt? Also China. China. Factory of the world. China. Home of the Imperial Palace and Forbidden City. In China het een van die grootste attraksies ter wêreld, the Great Wall. Wil julle weet hoeveel mense doodgegaan het as gevolg van die bou van die Great Wall?
Ja.
Vat die toerisme vak, dan sal julle uitvind.
Wow, I didn't know anything about that. Thank you China. In China, cha, dango. Ons het baie geleer, maar dit bring ons in die einde van ons tour. If you wanna take tourism next year and learn more about our interesting class, tourism is the way to go.
Toerisme 2022!